channel, friends. Today I am going to share you the recipe of Palak Masala Bajii. So let's see the ingredients first. So we require 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of maida, 1 onion finely chopped, half tablespoon of chili powder, half a pinch of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. So in a bowl I am going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste first. Add 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of maida, garam masala, chili powder and turmeric powder, finely chopped onions, friends. Green chili 1 I have chopped and added. It's optional. If you want it to be spicy, you can add or you can skip that one. Add salt as required. Mix all the ingredients well. Before adding the water, now add water little by little. You have to mix the ingredients well, so it should be in a batter consistency. It should not be too watery or too thick. I have already kept the tawa for some 2 minutes, so preheat the tawa for 2 to 3 minutes. You can even use the non-stick tawa. So I am using the iron one, so I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil, now take the big leaf, the palak leaf, dip it into the batter and put it on the tawa. See that the batter spreads on every corner of the leaf. We are going to place it on tawa. Flip each side and cook for 2 minutes. Now the bhajis are ready. It's cooked well, both the sides. Our palak masala bhaji is now ready. Super tasty, super healthy. So friends, do try this recipe. Subscribe my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe.